Hey y'all, na Asharifia all in one this. Come make we cook and chop. On the menu today we have contomire froye, spinach stew. To get started, we have frozen spinach, smoked turkey wings, goat meat, smoked mackerel, our vegetables, tomatoes, red onion, ginger, garlic, scotch bonnet, pepper, and some eggs. We have our badia all-purpose seasoning, shrimp powder and shrimp cube, and palm oil. To get started, we are going to start off by steaming our meat. Blend some onion, ginger, and garlic. With no water added, we are going to add our blended onion, garlic, ginger, and scotch bonnet pepper. Make sure you give it a good stir. And goes our badia all pepper seasoning. And salt to taste. Cover to trap the heat. We chopped up some of the vegetables to blend and we diced some to fry. The meat is coming along. Some people like their meat hard. Some people like it soft. I'm just gonna cook it in between because when we start the base, we are gonna cook it again. So as our palm oil heats up, we put the onions in first and fry for about 2 minutes before we put the tomatoes in because the tomatoes cooks a bit faster. It's really hard to mess up a spinach stew. But once you have a solid base, the rest is history. In goes our diced tomatoes. Now, we don't want to over fry our tomatoes, so we are going to reduce the heat and just let it slowly fry. This is what we are looking for. We are gonna get ready and add our blended vegetables. We don't want to over fry that too, so at this point we're just gonna fry it till we get the rawness out of the blended vegetables. Then we're gonna add our meat with the stock. I'm gonna go ahead and add my smoked mackerel. Now you notice I did not break up the mackerel, because as the stew go and you keep stirring and stuff, they're gonna slowly break apart. And plus I don't want it to disappear. I want big bites when the stew is done. Now I'm gonna season my stew with shrimp cube and shrimp powder. I'm not adding any salt now. I'm going to wait to the end to see how all the flavors come together. Then I will salt to taste. As the base is almost done, we are going to hard boil our eggs. We are going to add our spinach now. Like I said, this is frozen spinach, but you are more than welcome to use fresh spinach. Now, we are going to give it a gentle stir, bringing all our base up and trying our best to get all the spinach to the bottom. Give it a good shake. Now the steam won't let you see this beautiful thing, but it's okay. You can still see. It's coming along just beautifully. Our spinach stew is just about done. So at this point, I'm gonna add a bit of salt to taste. Steam we saw my moon who I deal with you, but I'm not sure why. Just know it's pure goodness behind that steam. Give it a good stir. Our NKONTOMIRE froye spinach stew is done. We are going to add our hard-boiled eggs, and that will be it, y'all. NKONTOMIRE froye spinach stew. Eating time. We finished cuckoo. Come make we chop. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And tap that bell for all notifications.